Welcome back. Another day of stay streaming. Subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. I want to shout out to Code in Public for the raid, and we have new followers. Tomatoes, Tripolar Burst, Daily Study, Daily Improvement. We study every day, improve every day. The compounding effect is in the play. Let's go. Today we do some Flutter. Since we finished most of the tutorials, we're just gonna keep going down the list. Let's start with implicit animations. Let's go. Oh nice, I'm at 1, 2, 3 followers. Perfect numbers. I know, right? As a matter of fact, let me tell you one trick to get an A in college writing class. Is that sometimes you write a poem with the topic. You don't write essay, you write a poem. That would definitely impress the professor, trust me. I tried it several times. Looks like a charm. So low-key show you guys my transcript. Implicit animation collab. Yeah. How to make a Flutter app, the stable widget, just like a widget that has variables to track things and gets maintained. Animate the opacity. If I did this. This is part of the chat box, I think. What are implicit animations? Motions and visual effects. One that manages the animation. One set manages the animation. Then they're called implicit animations. Animate a widget property by setting a target value. When the target value changes, moves from an old one to a new one. Okay, so basically it's like an off-the-shelf built-in function, so we have to do less. Let's do a fade in the effect. Okay, so it's an old picture, and then it just shows it, I guess. Some issues. Yeah, one thing I have with Flutter is that the tutorials sometimes have errors. It just doesn't work straight out of the editor. Okay, let's read the code. The code does right. Does it color it properly? It doesn't have Flutter. Interesting. Is this React or is this Dart? No, I guess not. So guess the URL. Creates a stateful widget, and the stateful widget has private properties, the state of it. And inside the state, there's a build function. Starts with a column. In this column, like puts in a owl picture first, and then the text. It's a text button too, so when we click it, something happens, I guess. Show details. And then on press, there's nothing that happens now. I bet you there's gonna be some animation that's associated with this on pressed. And then there's a container inside this column, and then there's a column inside this container. Smart. Composed of 3 text. There should be a picture on top of text button on top of a container. Let's see if that's what we see. Yeah, picture on top of show detail, text button. When you click it, nothing happens. So on press is pointed to no. And is this seriously a 39-year-old bird? Damn. Until the list of steps. Somewhat fade in. Just already made this to ballad. No? No? No. Luckily I pull out my Android Studio. It's hidden a description and remains hidden until you show details, so I guess opacity is 0. And then when you click show details, change the opacity. Cool. See how long it takes to start up this. Pretty intense. Let's change it to animated opacity. Not who's there. Okay. Yeah, probably opacity variable. Yep. Then that's opacity variable. I think can be here. Inside the state. Somehow it's having an issue with this. Oh, and then I need to add iteration and opacity. Wait, does this mean? What does duration mean? And how long it takes to change to this opacity or what? I wonder is it gonna give me an issue if I do this, if I flip it. It's not. Because the tags are coming in handy. Control L, format code, nice and clean. Okay, and then we need probably on press. I bet you. Let me see if I can write this. I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna probably write on press method. Never mind. Yep, I use the on press method and then set state. Oh, set state is like a built-in function. So that knows it's time to render. Some text button. Show detail. It's a button, it's a text. And then it's on press is a set state. And what state does it set? The opacity. There's an extra one. Punch though. Very clean. Two seconds. 2 seconds. That's okay, I'm gonna do here. I'll reload, just click save, and then it does its thing. Friday's Eve, so good. Almost done. Let's see what's the 3 seconds. Yeah, it takes 3 seconds to go from 0 to fully visible. No. Me. 1. Seriously? 4. Yeah, much faster. Let's do 10. A little bit intense. Yeah, it works. And then, okay, that's the first part. Okay, this kind of stuff kind of listens for state changes. It's probably a purely function of the backend that keeps running. And when it detects a change, it does the onPressed. Yep, duration is how long it takes to go from 0 to 4. All example shows how to use the animated container widget to animate multiple properties. Border and its margin color. Copy code. Okay, it's randomizing a thing and multiplying by 64. That's pretty intense. I bet you this is between 0 and 1. Random color. What? If you end with this random thing just the same as it, right? FFFF is all ones. Hey, what's up, Rizzo? Welcome back. Code Public was kind enough to give us a rating, so that's why. I'm normally not that popular. Yikes. Do you guys have advice on how to make this channel more engaging and more fun to watch? Let me know. Drop me a message or just type it here, you know. Appreciate any advice. I think originally, like back a few months ago, my audio sucks, my computer was extra slow, everything was bad, and the background music, there's no background music because I get copyright claimed. But now, you know, everything got better. Oh, program content, yeah, probably it's a little bit less popular than bathtubs and games. Oh yeah, I went to my office on a Saturday stream. It was totally random. Oh, that was interesting. Cool. I should do a special. If I hit, let's say 1K followers, I'll give you guys a detailed trip to my office again. Oh yeah, it was unplanned. I literally went there after the date to fix my headphone. I was fixing my headphones and then I just realized, oh, might as well walk around and show you guys, but that was fun. No, that's not your problem. That's you know, it's if someone is able to present a material better, you will be able to understand without much background knowledge. Thank you, that would be much appreciated. It means a lot. You know, we improve every day, not only in our skills and knowledge, but also in our stream. But to be fair, it's quite stagnant for a while. What's up, Chris? Welcome back. Dude, I came up with a sick third line today. Study every day, improve every day. Compounding effect, it is in the play. Oh, okay, thank you. That's great. I mean, that's what I try to achieve in the stream, right? You know, it says is to make sure I work every day. It's kind of like a commitment to work every day, but also hopefully inspire people a little bit. You know, some people are a little bit scared to start new things, so here I am starting new things. I never learned this stuff either. It's my first time. Sleep out every day, SWED, nice. Well, sometimes those abbreviations are quite misleading and sounds quite inappropriate. Like for example, when I was in high school, the English teacher was teaching like third person present singular, and then that dude abbreviated as 3pp's. And then we were saying it in the bus because we didn't know better. What's interesting? It's both everything. Oh yeah, of course I'm not fake, because I'm doing them. Action speaks louder. Okay, wait, that looks like it could be like a profile picture of LinkedIn kind of things. Where was I? Here. Yeah, we need to read the code a little bit. It's okay, randomizing stuff. I don't understand the point of this. It's quite useless, in my opinion. That's a compliment, nice. Trying to be. I'm much more aggressive at work and at school though. Because it's like when you don't have your benefits tied to this thing, and when you don't have pressure, become less aggressive. I don't think I need this part. How do I comment it out? Control, maybe. Oh, the motivational channels. You are gonna be able to do this. You're gonna make $10,000 every day. No, not a chance. I mean, I know how you can make $10,000 a day reliably. You need to have enough capitals. I heard a joke before. So interest rate is, let's say, 1% of your wealth. So if you want to make 1 million a year passively, you just have to save 100 million in your bank account. So trend bolong butt cheeks. No other reason to use any language other than PHP. Do everything in PHP, clean and more efficient. Interesting. Why do you say that? Because I think Facebook uses a PHP variation or an accent of PHP too. It must have some very good features. Oh, inflation 5%. I'll take it. Dude, when you have 100 million, do you really care about inflation? Yeah, and then the guy's like, duh, if I have 100 million, I wouldn't know. I don't have to ask you this question. And then the other guy was like, I have a way to help you make 100 million too. And the other guy was like, how? You just have to have 10,000 millions. I sound like that programmer guy from YouTube. Is it Neil Wu? It'll be an honor. for you to go from 100 million to 0, and just by inflation, do you know how long you need to live? Oh, tech lead. It's funny. It's funny. Yup. Inflation is 5%. That's why every time I see my base increase by less than 5%, it's like, oops. Guess I have to come up with some other income resources. Tech lead is funny because I'm ex Buckley, ex Stanford, ex playing. Not a tech lead yet. Moving on, I'll be a multi-millionaire with my own crypto, the million coin, the generational wealth state of mine. I keep 100 years. I'll be dead by then. Pretty sure about that part. Wait, should I? I have it. Nah, it's okay. Too much. Hey, dude, made Ted Lee gotta show him some respect, man. He has startups and things. I'm just here grinding Flutter. This guy is actually kind of funny. Oh wait, what happened? Does it get randomized every time? Probably does. Create state animated container demo state. So a private property to store it. Got 3 variables. There are state variables. Okay, it calls randomize every time. This may change. You just the on press button and just randomize it again. Then scaffold, kind of like a shelf. You know what, I love this stream too. I'm gonna show you guys the music source. I want to credit them, they're really good. Music tag, royalty free. Scaffold's like a shelf, and you got a center, and then inside the center there's a column, top to bottom stuff. And inside the column there are size box. There's like a box. What the fuck? Inside the box there's this is probably the change box. Inside the container. Wait, is this? No, this is not the button. This is the button. This is the... Just use the margin, color, and radius. This is the box. Wait, sometimes it's circle. Because it has to do with border radius. And then material app. Animate container. Pretty standard stuff. I don't know what this is. Debug show check one header. This is kind of like a main. Okay. Let's continue. So we want want an implicit animation controller. So yep, replace it just like we did earlier. Bada bing, bada boom. What should we replace? I think it should be this one, right? And then we need a duration. What is this app about? This is not quite an app. This is just a tutorial. It's about kind of like animating things, like make this different shape, and like you saw in the previous, the bird picture, like shows details, it animates elements. But I'm working on an app. The first app I'm gonna work on for real would be related to sounds. That's why I was looking for tutorials. String values. Oh. Oh, I guess when you press the elevator button, you'll be calling this function. Where should that be? If you watch the channel, Ben Owad. Don't think I have. Name sounds kind of familiar though. Someone might have suggested it before. Yep, changes like we expected. Just randomize it again, same as the init. Control-L. It's so slow with it here. Do this like going back and forth stuff between tags. Yep, one press. We call it change. Change here. Text startup. Actually funny. A lot of startups are just kind of people trying to make investor buy their ideas, even though it's not executed very properly. They just kind of try to rush to the markets and then get the investor money and then be set for life and do the next things. Quite a lot of people are like that. Private property. We imported something. Really? Really? Come. Control though. Yeah, IPO. That's the reason there are a lot of SPACs now. I think those are trying to get to the public market ASAP and then just grab people's money and then be gone. I don't think they care about the long-term success. Oh, dude, it's popular. Oh. Where have I seen this dude? Yeah, that's why I don't buy I generally do not buy those stocks unless I use the product and I know it's good. Like, I still don't own a single share of Robinhood, Coinbase, etc. Oh really? Yeah. I guess they're on it sometimes. You know, when you're trying to ask for like angel investors in like Series C, B, and C, you don't want to tell them, hey, we just want to get some money and be out, right? Like, you know, they're not dumb. Shit, that's my email. Shape-shifting. Oh, why is it shifting shape? This changes everything though. Yeah, actually I worked for a startup before. I know about software startup, but oh, okay. Wait, there's a transition. Why is there a transition? I don't get it. Wait, is it the same duration I'm thinking about? I was looking for a hardware startup. I feel like they just don't have enough resources to build, to iterate and prototype compared to like regular companies that are actually making a profit. I used to have to think about choosing between glue that costs like $5 and $10, but nowadays I just freaking buy all of them and try them all out. You would spend like 2 hours determining which glue is better, while I could just fucking order them and try them all. Nuts. This changes slower. 10 times slower. Yeah, that's pretty slow. Okay. Next. Animation curves. Duration is kind of linear. Control the rate of the animation duration. Proceeding to the specified curve, so the impulse animation apply linear animation curve. They're constantly changing at a constant rate. Let the curve parameter to shape shifting complete, and watch how the animation changes. As ease in, out, back, constant. Duration. Let's predict what it looks like first. I guess I will go the other way a little bit and then go a little bit too much and then come back. Let's see what it looks like. Okay. It's got like it's got like pulsate a little bit. Wait, what? Again, negative number. Yeah, it's kind of pulsates. Think you randomize a negative number. What? And may change from the share things and boots upon fading complete. Okay, animate properties, and then they can automatically change linearly, or you can specify how the change happens. Yep. Okay. Cool. That'll be recorded today. We did a really good tutorial animation. Also talk about the channels a little bit. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.